Hello SEO learners, in this tutorial I am going to show you the way you can verify your website with Google Search Console, like Google Search Console setup with your website. So what is the benefit of Google Search Console? Google Search Console lets you easily monitor and in some cases resolve server errors, site load issues and security issues like hacking and malware attacks. You can also use it to ensure any site maintenance or adjustments you make happen smoothly with respect to such performance. So I'm telling you for your kind information that after successfully verifying your website with Google Search Console, it will be looks like something like that. Here you can see it will look like this. So you know that I have successfully verified my website with Google Search Console. And now I'm going to show you the process I'm the way I have done this. So make sure that you have logged into your Google account. So I have done this with this account. That's why I'm opening another Google account, and I'm telling you that you can there are three steps to verify your website in Google Search Console. Here you can see first one is automatic DNS verification, and second one is manual DNS verification, and third one is HTML file upload. And I will show you these two steps to verify your website with Google Search Console, and these two steps are very easy, that's why I'll show you. So open your Google account and search here Google Search Console, and it will show you the Google Search Console website, which is a product of Google, and click on it, and it will ask you to improve your performance on Google Search Console. Look, you have you don't have yet you did not verified your website with Google Search Console. That's why you need to start Google Search Console, and to verifying your website you need to click on it. So click on it, and it will ask you can see there are two steps, that domain verification and URL prefix, and we will work with these two steps. So here you have to put your website name, domain name, not HTTP or HTTPS. So first time we are going to do manual DNS verification through domain verification. Here you have to put your domain name, like example.com. Here you can see my website name is taymursakib.com. You don't need to put your URL prefix. So right here, this is my website name, and I'm going to click on continue. Look, a pop-up is we are showing a pop-up, seeing a pop-up, and here you can see an HTML code. You just need to copy this code by clicking on copy section, and then you can do it easily. So click on copy, and then just keep it as it is, and open your cPanel. Make sure that you have logged into your cPanel. This is my cPanel. So I'm going to log in. So I have logged into my cPanel. Actually, the different hosting providers cPanel are different looking. That's why my cPanel is looking something like that. And here you need to search Zone editor and click on enter. It is asking me to again logging. So again I had to log in to my cPanel. On the other hand, you can find out it by scrolling. Here you can see zone editor. Here you can see zone editor. If you actually scroll, and it can be found on domain section like zone editor, and just click on it. In this section we just need to create a new record. So to do this, you must have this option like manage option. If you don't have this option, you have to contact with your hosting provider and tell them to open this option, as if they can open it. So after, and now you just need to click on manage option. Actually it is showing me some errors. Okay, again I am showing you, click on manage option, and now you just need to add a new record. To add a new record, here you can see a option like add record. So click on add record, and there are some options. This option you just need to put your website name, and this option you just need to make a txt record, and this option. So let's do it. Here you just need to click on it and make it txt format, and here you just need to name your website like, what is my website name, like example example.com. It's a demo name, that's why actually I'm showing it. It's a demo website name. I'm just name it my website name, TaymurSakib.com. And here you just need to put the code what we have got on Google Search Console. Again I'm going to copy it and paste it here, Ctrl B, and now click on save option. Here you can see save record. Look, success, you have successfully saved it. But now you just need to verify it on your Google Search Console. You just need to click on verify option. This verify option, click on it, checking for the verification. Actually it takes some time. For instance, instantly we have successfully verified. In some cases it may take 1 or 2 hours, but for my case it takes just 1 second, that's why. And now you can go to your property. So done, click on out of this button. On the other hand, you can verify here. So previously I told you that I'll show you 2 steps, and in this step is URL prefix. In this section you just need to place your website full name like https. This is my website URL, and now you just need to click on continue. It will check if it is verified, and now you can see it is successfully verified. But I think actually this is showing us because we did the DNS verification earlier, but I promised you to show this this step like URL prefix verification. And now I'm going to open another Google account to show you. Okay, to show you HTML file upload like URL prefix verification, that's why I have opened a new Google account. You can see it, this is a new Google account. Here you just need to put your website URL. So now in this section we are going to verify URL prefix through HTML file upload. HTML file upload in our cPanel file manager. So you just need to place your website URL. Okay, this is my website URL and click on continue. It is checking the verification if it is verified or not. So we can see a pop-up, and here you can see an HTML file, and also you can see the download option. So you just need to click on it and download it. Now go to your website cPanel. Under cPanel, check the file manager. Here you can see my file manager. I'm going to click on it and enter file manager. Here you can see a public HTML section where all the your website codes are placed. Click on public HTML, and this section you just need to upload what we have downloaded. This code you just need to upload here. Click on upload. Look, here you can see the upload section, and click on upload. Select file, and this is our existing code. Click on open. That's it, and go back to your public HTML, and now you just need to click on verify option. You can see the verification. Verify it. Checking for the verification. That's it. It's very simple process I have shared with you. You can see I have successfully gained the ownership verified. Actually, I've successfully done all the process. Like, I've set up the Google Search Console to my website to measure my website. That's it. So hey, SEO learners, I hope that this video helped you in many ways, and to verify your website to Google Search Console. So I deserve a like, comment, positive comment, and please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends who needs this type of video, like digital marketing related and SEO related video. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.